Right. We have another situation like this. We are given this equation. You can see now we have the middle term with sine and cos. So if you find yourself in a situation like this where you have the middle term sine and cos, you can't make the first term now to make a sine squared theta the subject. You can't change this trig to sine or cos because we have sine and cos in the middle term. What do? We use the square identity to multiply the constant like this. We are going to say 6 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta cos theta minus 2. Then we multiply with the square identity. It's like we are multiplying by 1 equals to 0. We are multiplying by 1. And what is the identity? Remember 1, we said cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So now we need to multiply by 1 the constant. So if we multiply by 1 the constant, this is our 1. So we are going to say 6 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta cos theta minus 2 bracket cos squared theta plus sine squared theta like this is equal to 0. Now we can expand this now. Now we can expand such that we are going to get 6 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos squared theta minus 2 sine squared theta is equal to 0. So 6 sine squared, 2 sine squared. You can see they are like terms. 6 minus 2, what are we going to get? We are going to get 4 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta cos theta minus 2 cos squared theta is equal to 0. As you can see, this equation now, it can be easily factorized. It can be easily factorized here. Think of this. Just think of this. Let me just say, let's say we use x and y. We now want to use x and y to change everything here. Let me say y. Let y is equal to sine theta and x equal to cos theta. I want to make it simple for you guys to understand. So I'm going to have 4y squared minus 7xy minus 2x squared is equal to 0. Now you can easily factorize this. How? If you multiply the first term and the last term, what do we get? We are going to get 8. We are going to get minus 8xy squared. Minus 8xy to the power 4. Then what do? The factors of minus 8, which can give us minus 7. The factors of minus 8, which are going to give us a minus 7. So that's how we are going to factorize that. So we have factorized already. We are going to get y minus 2x like this. Then we have 4y plus x. 4y plus x is equal to 0. Right? From there, what do we do? From there now, we can now make y the subject of the formula. We can say y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x for the first bracket, or or 4y is equal to minus x, like this. Then this one needs to be solved further. Maybe we just, or let's just leave it like that. Let's substitute sine theta and cos theta. Y is sine theta, so we are going to say sine theta is equal to 2 cos theta. So what we have here, we are going to divide by cos. Both sides, is we divide by cos both sides. This side we are going to have tan theta is equal to 2. Then this side we are going to say 4 sine theta is equal to minus cos theta. Divide by 4 over cos. Both sides we are going to have tan theta is equal to minus 1 over 4. So now we need to find the reference angle of the first one and the reference angle of the second one. And remember, when we want to use our 4 quadrants, theta 180 minus theta 180 plus theta and 360 minus theta. So since the graph of tan, the period is 180 degrees, so we can just use the solutions in the first quadrant, since tan is positive in the first and positive in the third quadrant. So we can just use A1. So our reference angle there for tan theta is equal to 2. Our reference angle here is equal to what? Our reference angle is 63,43. And what we have again as our reference angle here, our reference angle is minus 14,04. So now we can find our general solutions. So our general solutions, the first one is going to be theta is equal to the first one 63,43 plus 180 k. Remember, k is an element of z. Then we have again theta is equal to minus 14,04 plus 180 k, and k is an element of z. So basically, this is how you solve this kind of situation. Whenever you find the middle term with 2 trigs here, you have to multiply by 1, which is cos squared plus sine squared theta. Then it can be solved like this.